Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tackle an SAT-style math problem that involves surface area and rectangular prisms. Here's the problem we're solving today. We have two identical rectangular prisms, each with a height of 90 centimeters. The base of each prism is a square, and the surface area of each prism is k square centimeters. When the prisms are glued together along a square base, the resulting prism has a surface area of 92/47 times k square centimeters. We need to figure out the side length of each square base. First, let's focus on just one of the prisms. The surface area of any rectangular prism is calculated using the formula. The total surface area is equal to 2 times the length times the width, plus 2 times the length times the height, plus 2 times the width times the height. Since the base of the prism is a square, both the length and the width are the same, so let's call the side length of the square base S. We're also given that the height of the prism is 90 centimeters. Now, we can plug these into the formula for surface area. The surface area becomes 2 times S squared plus 4 times S times 90. Simplifying this expression, we get 2s squared plus 360s. We are told that this surface area is equal to k square centimeters, so k is equal to 2s squared plus 360s. Now, let's move on to what happens when these two prisms are glued together along their square bases. The new prism will still have the same square base, but its height will now be doubled to 2 times 90, which equals 180 centimeters. The surface area of this combined prism is 2 times s squared plus 4 times s times 180. Simplifying this expression, we get 2s squared plus 720s. However, the problem also tells us that the surface area of the combined prism is equal to 92/47 times k. Let's set up that equation. 2s squared plus 720s is equal to 92/47 times k. Now we'll substitute k, which we know from earlier is 2s squared plus 360s. Let's get rid of the fraction by multiplying both sides by 47. 47 times the quantity of 2s squared plus 720s equals 92 times the quantity of 2s squared plus 360s. Simplifying both sides, we get 94s squared plus 33,840s equals 184s squared plus 33,120s. Next, subtract 94s squared and 33,840s from both sides. 0 equals 90s squared minus 720s. Now factor the equation. 0 equals 90. S times the quantity of s minus 8. This gives us two possible solutions. Either s equals 0 or s equals 8. Since a side length of 0 doesn't make sense, the only valid solution is s equals 8. And there you have it. The side length of each square base is 8 centimeters. To recap, we used the formula for surface area, set up an equation based on the information from the problem, and solved for s, the side length of the base. This is a classic SAT math problem where breaking it down step by step leads to the solution. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow the channel for more SAT math tips. See you next time.